guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for stopping by. Today we have a beauty haul. Alright guys, let's dive right on into this haul. So I have been buying some beauty products because it has been a very long time since I have gone shopping at Ulta or Sephora or anything beauty related. It has just been so long. So years ago, if you have been rocking with me for a while now, you guys know that I used to freelance, and it's been about 3 years since I haven't freelanced. So I have not purchased any new makeup, brushes, any new nothing beauty related. So as of lately, I've just kind of been buying things here and there, and I want to share them with you guys. So let's dive right on in. Alright, so the first things first is makeup brushes. I have been having my set of makeup brushes, I want to say for 10 plus years, and it is the original Sigma collection. Yes, I got that when I was, I believe, a senior in high school as a Christmas gift, and I have been rocking with those brushes ever since. Now I have collected some more over the years, but for the most part, that collection has been my go-to brushes, and they have been lasting, I must say. But I am doing away with those brushes, and I needed to start fresh all over again. So one thing I want to mention is I just recently ordered some brushes off of Morphe. They won't be in this collection, or in this haul rather, but I did order some brushes because when I went to my local Ulta, they just didn't have what I was looking for. But when I was at Ulta, I did pick up the James Charles eye brush set, and it is with Morphe. Can you guys see that? Oh, the back. I'm thinking I'm showing you guys this side. But yes, I did just recently purchase this. Actually, this was a more recent purchase. It does come in a brush roll, which I tend to not like these because I tend to have a lot of brushes. So it is just what, 3, 6, 9, 12. I'm assuming of his favorite brushes, but I needed some new eye brushes, and I wanted to buy a set versus individual. I don't know why. I was just looking for something really quick. I haven't been spending a whole lot of time doing my makeup because I'm just a mom and I've got to go. I need to throw something on and be out the door. All right, so my next item is this brush set from ColourPop, guys, and I have never ordered from ColourPop before, but look at the box. Look at this packaging. It is so beautiful, and I just love it. I love it, guys. I love the floral detailing. And I ordered a brush roll. I don't know which one I ordered. Hopefully you guys didn't get my address. I don't know the name of this right off the top, but I will list it down below. Oh, here it is. I think I just saw it. This is the Stone Cold brush roll. And what attracted me to these brushes are that they are white, and white is just one of my favorite colors. So it does come in this nice white brush roll, which, like I said, I won't be keeping because they're just kind of in the way. I guess they're good for traveling, but I did use 2 of these brushes literally just less than an hour ago to do my makeup, the face that you see now, and they are so soft. And they come with some face brushes and some eye brushes. I'm not going to go into detail. I'm just going to list these things below so you guys can go and check them out for yourself. So I don't want this video to be super long. Alright, so the next item I picked up is this Tarte Shape Tape Concealer, and I have used this in the past, guys, and it was so long ago that I used this. I'm not sure if the formula has changed or if it's even the same, but I will say that I have given it another chance, and it does seem different in my opinion, which is why I bought the little mini size, because I didn't want to buy a full size and I still didn't like it. Back then, I remember Tarte Shape Tape being very dry and just hard to blend out. I used it today and it was fine. My shade is Tan Sand, so I was happy to see that they had this in a little mini size at the counter at Ulta. I can't recall how much it costs, but I'm sure it's like $10 or $12. but I probably most likely will be purchasing the full size of this because I do love the new formula, if it's even a new formula. Like I said, it is so much different than from what I remember years ago. All right, so my next item is a oldie but a goodie. I have not had this in so long, guys. Oh my gosh. It is the Laura Mercier translucent powder, guys. This is a holy grail. I have been using the Rice translucent. Is it Rice? The one Patrick Starr uses? Yes, I have been using that for the longest, but this always has been a go-to in my kit, and I loved it on myself. I just love the finish that this powder has. If you have never tried this before, or a translucent powder, or you're looking for one, this is it. It is the Laura Mercier translucent. I haven't tried any of the ones with pigment in it. I did see them on the shelf, but I just didn't go for it. I went for what I knew. So speaking of powders, I did pick up the Fenty powder in banana. I don't have the package. I threw it away, and I don't know. I've used it twice and I had the same reaction both times. I'm not sure I'm a fan. I'm just not sure I'm a fan of it. Maybe I'm using it wrong. I'm gonna look at some videos and see how they apply it, if they apply with a wet sponge or dry or what. But this is the Pro Filter in banana, and I just have mixed feelings about it right now. I want to love it and I want to like it because it's Rihanna and it's Fenty, but I haven't had good luck with it as of yet. So I won't do away with it. I will try it again, and I'll keep you guys posted on my thoughts. All right, so the next item is a primer that I have been seeing on the internet for years now, and it is the Milk Primer. This is the Hydro Primer, and I don't know what, the way people have been hyping this up, I mean, I don't know, maybe I'm just not into makeup like I used to be, but I mean, it's great. It's a primer. It's nothing fantastic, but I got it, and I guess I'm happy to be using it. But I mean, still people, I guess because it's like, it has a grip to it, the stickiness, not stickiness, but you know, that tackiness when applying it to your face so your foundation can stick and last. So that's the only thing that I noticed. For me, I feel like I would prefer something more, I guess, lotion material, if that makes any sense. I don't know, that's just a preference. Tell me guys in the comments, what do you prefer, and have you tried this, and is it spectacular like everyone claims it to be? All right, so the next item is ColourPop's pencil in BFF, and I got BFF 3 as well. I don't know where my BFF is right now, but yeah. BFF 3, I did use this to line my lips today, and I do like it. I will say though, when I went to sharpen this pencil today and I had to do it for the first time, it kept breaking off, and I didn't like that, because for a lip liner, I wish this was retractable versus something I had to sharpen. I just don't like the fact that I was wasting product as I was sharpening it. So, but I do love the BFF and the BFF 3. The BFF 2, they didn't have in stock at my local Ulta, so but I do plan on ordering it because this one is just a tad bit too dark and BFF is a tad bit too light, so I'm assuming BFF 2 will be my perfect shade. I do love them both and I am using them both, but like I said, one's too dark and one's for my liking and one's too light, so I figured the one in the middle would be just perfect for me. The next thing I got is from Juvia's Place, and it is the Nefertiti highlighter, and I have seen this all over the internet when it came out, and yes, I love it. It is as amazing as people hype it up to be. It is this nice golden highlighter. Like I said, I don't do makeup like that anymore. I need to start back getting into that, and which is why I purchased these items. But I haven't had highlighter in my kit, or just readily, you know, for me to use in so long. I've been using like an eyeshadow to highlight, or just one that's just been so old, but I wanted to have a new one to use, and I'm glad I got this one. All right guys, so the next thing I got is for your feet, and I'm sure you guys have seen this all over the internet, and I am super excited to try this. It is the baby feet. I haven't used it yet, and I had planned on using it 2 weeks ago when I picked it up, but I haven't because I have some shoe hauls I want to do, and yeah, I just didn't want my feet peeling and interrupt my my videos, you know. So I will let you guys know how this is. I have some very thick skin on my feet, guys. I wear a lot of open toe shoes. I don't wear a lot of tennis shoes, and I feel like it's between hereditary and because I feel like my grandmother suffers from that as well. Between that and just not having enough water in my diet, that has my skin really dry, and of course we're in the winter months. But yeah, so I feel like this will help. So I'm not exactly sure, but I've seen the videos and it just amazes me to see that. So I'm excited to try it on myself. The next item is going to be this Morphe Continuous Spray, and it is a setting spray, and this was one of the popular ones because it is the continuous spray, and I was just so happy to get my hands on it, girl. Like, oh my gosh, I can do it now. I don't know why I have not purchased this. I always go and get the e.l.f. setting spray, but I love the fact that it is a continuous mist. There was another one, I want to say it was for matte finish, and it was in a white bottle. I wasn't gonna pick that up because I've been loving the dewy glow as of lately, so yes. Okay, so another item I got is this Makeup Forever Mist-A-Fix. Now I got this at Sephora. It was one of my free gifts, and I think the spray is broken. So let me see. Oh, it just come out too. Can y'all see that? It just come out too hard for me. So yeah, I would love to use it, but I'm not sure if that's how it's supposed to come out or if my spray head is just messed up right now. So another item I got is this Lancome Teint Idole. Is that how you say it? I'm not sure, but I picked this up because Jackie Aina uses it and she swears by it. However, I don't like it for my skin. It just seems a little drying. Not, I don't know. I mean, it's good, but, and I think it's medium coverage and buildable. I'm used to, you know, full coverage foundations. But I don't know. I mix it with my L'Oreal True Match, and I am W7 in that brand. But I mix this one and that one together, and it gives me the look I'm going for, which is what I have on right now. But by itself, I don't too much care for it. I want to love it and I want to like it, especially since I spent the money on it. But it's just not there for me as is. Alright, so the next couple of items I don't have the packaging for, and I don't even know where the other part of this is. It's a Kylie lip kit, and I got it in the travel size or the mini size, and I got it in Bare. I used it and I need to sharpen it. Once again, one of those sharpeners. I wish it was a retractable lip liner, especially for the price you pay. It is nice. It's Bare, like it says. So it's just great when I'm wearing a flesh tone or a nude lip, but so far so good. It's nothing spectacular, you know, I guess just because it's Kylie. But yeah, the next item is this brow pencil from Benefit, and it's the Precisely My Brow, and I did my brows today with this pencil, and I've been loving this. I will show a clip of me doing my brows today with this. I have been loving this, guys. I love the fact that it's a retractable pencil. It's the shade I really love. And then I love that they have a spoolie on the end. I got the shade 4.5, by the way. I don't know what shade this is, like the name, other than 4.5. Maybe dark brown, I don't know. Alright guys, so my last item is this kit. I don't know if it's upside down. Can you guys see? But I was in Ulta late one night and I was walking down the clearance aisle and I saw this, and it is a whole bunch of ColourPop liquid lipsticks, and this is the Romance Moi Ultra Matte Lip Set. And can you guys see the price on it? It says $50, but I only paid $35. So I felt like for what I was getting, and the package was kind of busted like this, I just felt like for how many? 4, 8, 12. For 12 liquid lipsticks, you couldn't beat the price for ColourPop. And these are shades that I normally gravitate towards, which is why I picked it up. So I don't have a whole bunch of lip colors in my kit currently, and I wanted to start re-upping, and I felt like this was a great place to start. It had a lot of nice mauve nudes. It had a couple of reds and some deep berry tones that'll take me into the fall. Now I can't get it back in there correctly, y'all, but whatever. So this is what it looks like, and so far I have been loving it. I said that was the last item, but I lied. Sorry. So my last item is this Morphe palette, and it's called a face palette, and it's called Totally Tan. It's the shade 8T, and I was in Ulta one night, and one other thing that I don't have are a lot of blushes, and I was specifically looking for a blush palette, but I was unable to find one. So I saw this blush contour and highlight palette, and I picked it up. I used it today as well. I'll insert a clip so you guys can see. But the shades or the colors are very pigmented, I will say. It's just been so long since I have bought makeup, guys, that I just don't even know what to expect, honestly. Alright guys, if you enjoyed that video, please give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so you can be notified every time there's an upload from me. Don't forget to subscribe. I will see you guys next time. Bye!